You might not think about your drainage systems often, but ignoring drain lines,
Grease traps, or lift stations can lead to big, costly problems throughout your facility. One backup in your drain lines could force a call to the emergency plumber. Excessive buildup in your lift station? That can cause widespread foul odors or damage your equipment. But it doesn't have to get that far. When you work with State Chemical, you get more than a fix. You get a proven system that does the work for you. Our drain maintenance programs are designed to prevent problems before they start. Here's how it works. We install automated systems that break down fats, oils, and greases, keep lines flowing, and neutralize odors, all without any extra effort from you or your team. Instead of scrambling to fight clogs and backups after they hit, you have protection working 24/7. You'll see fewer emergency calls, encounter less foul odor, and enjoy cleaner, safer work areas. We'll help you tackle the toughest drain problems, including grease traps, lift stations, and stacked drains. Over time, you'll spend less on maintenance, pump outs, and unexpected repairs. And you're never on your own. Our local reps know their stuff. Pick up the phone when you call and keep your system at its best. Plus, with safe, eco-friendly products, you stay compliant and protect your infrastructure. This is why it matters. Drain issues can shut you down fast, from a flooded kitchen to fines for failing safety or environmental standards. They drain your time, money, and energy that you could spend elsewhere. When you stop problems before they start, you keep your facility running like it should. Ready for fewer plumbing emergencies? Let's send them down the drain.